Hello friends, it's Florian Stollmayer. I'm right now standing in front of the oldest beer brewery in the world. This is called Kloster Weltenburg and it is in Lower Bavaria, close to the Danube River. This monastery brewery was established in 10,050 AD. You can see it here on the shield. It says it was established 10,050 AD by Irish monks. The entire monastery was established 617 AD and is the oldest monastery in Bavaria. Here is also the monastery church. And they even have here a lovely beer garden here. You see that? Kloster Weltenburg, the oldest brewery in the world, established 1050 AD. Here's the monastery church. And this is sort of like the yard of the monastery here, how you can see it. And here again is the brewery, which was established 1050 AD. The oldest brewery in the world. Hello friends, it's Florian Stollmayer. I'm right now standing in front of the Dunab. This here on the right is where the Dunab breaks through. Can you see these mighty rocks here? This is where it breaks through, and in the back is the monastery of Kloster Weltenburg, the oldest brewery in the world, established 1050. Hello again, it's Florian Stollmayer. I really hope you have enjoyed my live footage from the monastery of Weltenburg in Lower Bavaria on the Danube River. The monastery, or in German Kloster Weltenburg, on the Danube River in Lower Bavaria is only a few miles away from the historic town of Regensburg and is the oldest beer brewery in the entire world, established in 1050 AD by Benedictine monks. However, there's a rumor that the Bayerische Staatsbrauerei Weihenstephan in Freising might be established in 1040 AD, say 10 years earlier as the monastery brewery in Weltenburg. On the other hand, no real proof can be found for that claim, and therefore the official date of the brewery Weihenstephan in Freising close to Munich is 1146 AD, which again makes Kloster Weltenburg the oldest brewery in the entire world. The art of beer brewing is a big part of Bavarian culture since medieval times. Think about the Bayerische Reinheitsgebot since 1516 AD, where it says that all beer must be produced with natural ingredients. Bavarian beer brands such as Hofbrauhaus, Löwenbräu, Augustinerbräu, or Erdinger Weissbier are well known all over the world. Therefore, it's not a surprise that the monastery brewery in Weltenburg in Lower Bavaria is the oldest beer brewery in the entire world. In the summertime, people love to enjoy the lovely Bavarian beer and food in the brewery beer garden. The state of Bavaria in Germany offers many top sites, such as the Oktoberfest, which is the biggest beer fest in the entire world. It was established in 1810 in Munich, the capital of Bavaria in Germany. If you need more information on the Oktoberfest, the biggest beer fest in the entire world, things like what to wear, how to order, or simple phrases in Bavarian slang, I would refer you to my book, Florian Stollmayer's Quick Guide to the Oktoberfest, available as an ebook and paperback on both Amazon.com and BarnesandNoble.com. You can find both links below. So long, friends, or as we say here in Bavaria, Servus, für Gott und auf Wiedersehen.